So hi guys, today we are going to do some cleanup on this laptop. It has a problem with the fan. It is overworking, so we have to open to see how it looks from the inside. So after you open all the screws, I've opened all the screws. Remove the battery. This is the battery. Then we open the laptop. And as you can see, this is the fan. There is that accumulated in it. We have to remove it and blow on it, you see. This is the fan with a lot of dirt. I have to remove this fan and do some cleanup on the fan. So what we shall do, so we are going to clean up this laptop. So as you can see here, you can see the fan. Look at this fan, how dirty it is. So as you can see, this laptop is very dirty. So you want to do some cleanup on that laptop. So I'm opening the, so this is the fan. And this is the fan. So you're going to clean this fan, then turn it back. This is the lamp. If you've never seen a lamp of a laptop, this is the lamp. And for those of you who have never seen an SSD, these are the SSD looks like. So this is the SSD. So this is what is called a solid state drive. And if you want to see how the hard drives, the other hard drives look like. So here I have some hard drives that were from other laptops but have been damaged. This is how a hard drive looks on the inside. So this is a hard drive, this one, and this one is called a solid state drive. This one is an improvement of this. So these were the old ones, now these one are the new ones. So as you can see, these are two hard drives. These are all damaged, they have been damaged. So we have the upgrade here. So today we're just cleaning the fan and then return it back to its original position. And then after that, the laptop will be good to go. So here we're cleaning the fan to remove all the dirt. Then you come from behind, so in the behind now we try clean and remove all the dirt. You can see the fan is now clean. So as you can see, the fan is very clean. Very clean fan. So what we shall do is just return the fan to its original position and we are good to go. So you just come here. So now we are returning the fan back to its original position. So I've finished that, so just take the screw and screw the nuts down. So after that, you come and return the cable that powers the fan back. After that, we take our lamp. This is the lamp. So you avoid touching the sockets here. So you hold it like this. You come, you slide it. Hold it like this, and you come, slide it in. And it's locked there. So you see, so when you want to open it and remove it, you just unclip here and unclip the far end. It is out. When you want to put it back, you just slide it and then you push it down. Slide it down and you push it down like that. So this is a lamp slot. We have another lamp slot here. If you want to add more lamp, so you can just add another lamp here. So this is the other lamp. This laptop has two batteries. So this is the external battery. This one is the removable battery. Then on the inside we have another inbuilt battery with 2440 mmH. 2040 mmH. So this is the internal battery. We have screened the fan. Now we are going to lock where the HDD was. So we slide this panel like that. Close. This is the one screw. Come here. We screw it back. That's in. Take the last screw. That's intact. You put it back to position. That's where it's supposed to be. And with that, we are done. You can just clean like that, remove any dirt that is available. Now the presets. These are the speakers, two speakers. Don't think there's anything else. I've not told you. So that's all. Then after you're done, just take the top cover and show it's clean. So you have to clean on this where the fan was. So you have to clean this part. Remove all the dirt available. So you can see from this part there is dirt here. So you clean it like that. That's you're good to go. And now you put back your casing slowly. Ensure everything is aligned and the ports are good. And the fire is now quiet. It was making a lot of noise. Now it's very quiet. Very quiet. You can see the programs are learning. This is Visual Studio Code, it's learning. Chrome there is learning. You can open like Git Bash, it's also learning. You can see all these programs are learning and the fan is so quiet. You cannot even hear the sound. Very quiet. So we shall shut it down first of all and lock the screws back. So now you're screwing the screws back to the position they were. So you just light them like that. Then you start screwing them back. That one is good. Go to the part in here. Now this is the external battery. So this external battery, just slide it down and it's locked. It's locked and the laptop is now good to go. Very perfect, and the fan is now clean. The laptop is quieter, and that's how you clean your laptop and maintain the internal part of your laptop to ensure you're free from dust. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more such videos. Bye bye.